Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse how I look. It's been a freaking morning already. I know I've been gone for a while. My dad got into a car accident. My little sister got sick. Like, it's been a week. Like, every day I was gonna film something happened. So, but today I'm gonna film my Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. If I can open it. Whoa. This is what it looked like when I opened it. And then this is the theme. I guess it's like glamping, whatever that means. So the first thing on here is the Morphe I Got This 4-piece brush collection. Super excited about this. This is $12. Not bad for 4. And I also got this, which is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Purpose Sculpting Concealer in Cloud. This is $29. That's insane. I also got this, which is the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. And this cost $20 for this little tiny thing. And then I was very excited to get this. This is the Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series eyeshadow palette. This is $36. And then the last thing is the most expensive thing. This cost $58, but it's there's Trestique Matte for Every Mood mini lip crayon set. I'm gonna just pull it out. I love these. These are all the colors. I love the crayons because I feel like I have more like control. But that was everything in my Boxycharm. I'm going to just go through it again real quick just as a recap. The matte lipsticks or lip crayons. I also got the Morphe set. The Essentials palette. The concealer, whoa, and the eye primer. So all 5 of those for, what is it, like 27 something after tax. It isn't bad. But that is everything that I got. I will hopefully be back tomorrow, but I will let you guys know. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.